So if all the properties of a PEMF device cannot be objectively verified, the system is considered a pretense of false facts and therefore junk. That's how simple it is. And then even $500 are too much. You know? And this is the deal about PEMF devices nowadays. And this is what's floating around in the market. 98 or 90% of all PEMF manufacturers do not disclose their technical specifications. That's just not right. You know, if you claim that you have this and that, well, disclose it. Show it in your owner's manual. You know, answer emails properly. You know, I get emails every week. What is the frequency of your signal? Well, I'm gonna send them what we have in our technical specifications. And I never get an answer back because it's so complex that people say, oh, okay. Yeah. It's like, send me a study. Okay, I send you a study. Well, 90% of the people cannot even read a study. And you can even 8 minutes lie on a study. It will not change your pain. You know? So we analyzed 10 different competitor products. None of them had a built-in frequency generators. All of them are using cheap mesh wire coils. All of them are emitting dirty electricity. All of them are a potential safety risk for the user. None of them is disclosing any reasonable specifications. All of them fail to demonstrate safety and efficiency. There are probably 4 or 5 systems which I would put my body on it, but not more. That's what it is. That's my personal view. So not all are bad. You know, don't get me wrong. I'm not going after all our competitors. There are some systems which are quite okay. You know, which we can at least compare to what we do. But most of these devices, they're not even comparable because they don't deliver anything. This is one of my favorites, all these crystal mats. Maybe you saw them in the internet. Healthy Wave and you name them, you know. I can give you a link. This one is quite cheap. Well, they look how they price it. From $17.99, that was in Europe, to $9.99. This is it's just crap. There's nothing inside. They don't even have a device to control them. And they have these glued-on gemstones, which they claim it's far infrared, which is total BS. Gemstones have nothing to do with far infrared. Gemstones may, when you expose them to heat, somehow expose some far infrared radiation within the same wavelength, but they don't do that actively. As you know, we have an active far infrared system built in our hybrid system, which, by the way, is run by carbon fiber. Because carbon fiber has exactly the window of wavelengths which we want to use, between 3 and 14 microns. And it's quite safe, and it's a quite cool way to transmit far infrared waves. But they also claim the 7.83 hertz. It's a joke, sorry. Yeah, because there's no pulse generator built in. So the next one, also this one. Pro Multi-Wave 5 Therapy Far Infrared PEMF mat. $2,495. You see that little handheld here, that device? You can see already there's no pulse generator built in, you know? And they call it advanced PEMF technology. Yeah. Words are patient, you know? And yeah, this I actually found on Alibaba. This Healthy Wave. It's a very established company in North America. You know, you can buy this in China directly from the manufacturer for $180. I give you the link. If you want to lie on it, at least don't spend so much money. So, understanding true PEMF requires ongoing education as well as an attentive and clear mind. All information must be verifiably scrutinized and evaluated. Never take anything for granted anymore. not only applying to PMF, if somebody tells you something, ask questions. You know, everything legal and everything true can be verified. Huh? And PMF is nothing else than 100% applied science. And science is indeed complex, but it is verifiable. And even if you don't understand physics, I hope I could give you a little bit of an insight now what to look at when you lie on one of these systems and how to figure out whether this is good for you or not good for you. And for all our reps, it may help you to identify all these cheap copycats and systems on the market which either not deliver anything good or even harm the people around us, which is, in my opinion, it's not acceptable.